Yep,
They
it's Sunday
have-
Fun Day. Yep. Oh, Corey's getting that article out.
Oh. Meatball porridge, grilled cheese.
I know.
That's a good idea.
I think that one's better than the leftover.
What you don't want to
pizza
be
from
on?
the
What's the napkin blocking your face? The jig is up. You got a big head. We can see you. All right.
Well, he chopped up his wife yesterday.
Look, my sister is hiding behind. Jesus. Well, I'm gonna get in it. You know
All right,
why?
Cindy, get a life, will you?
Wait, look. I'm getting my shirt because I'm calling this is a new shirt I just bought today. This is called my Barry shirt. Chris, take me so you can get the way it's written properly. This is my Barry Geffen shirt. Look what it says. What does it say, Chris?
I literally cannot.
I literally cannot. Isn't
I
that the-
literally cannot.
No, I literally cannot. Okay.
I like
what?
Torelli.
Happy, I don't know, anything. I literally cannot deal with the
Do you like my hair
tortuousness.
today?
It looks very bouncy and it's not flat at all. Looks really, really good. All right, goodbye,
I
everyone.
just got caught in the rain once. So we talked.
Right, like a wet rat. Anyway, all right, I'm going to do a cutting of the cantaloupe video. Is everyone excited? All right.
There's the basic.
You could speak.
Oh,
Whatever.
I can, how
on
nice of you.
stove top.
Bye.
That's